Yes, hello, good afternoon. My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines. Trying to confirm appointment dates for Texas. Hello, yes, good evening. My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines confirming appointment for Texas.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines.
For Haitian airline?
Confirming appointments for Texas flight 1300.
No.
You have a reservation?
No.
It looks here on the computer that we have your reservation for Yvette, Marie, and merge rates Alexander for Texas.
Oh, to go to Texas?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, this is for Texas flight 1300.
Give me your flight. I don't remember the number of the flight.
It's
But
not.
I know we have a flight for the 4th of August.
I know we have 3 confirmed appointments for the Federale on the Skinburn Bowling. Calling to save you some money on the Brent Gondolin.
We have some money for you.
I know we can save you 15% on your flight, but it's calling
you
Bowling.
Oh. I don't know. I don't. Genevieve. Not even keep over. Wait a minute, Genevieve. Oh.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
I was ready to give you somebody who speak better.
Better English?
English.
Oh, you speak Spanish?
No, I'm not
Oh,
Spanish. I'm English.
porque yo creo hablar español aquí.
I don't speak Spanish.
¿Por qué los quiero hablar aquí?
Oh my God. Who I'm talking to?
My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines, confirming 1300 flight for Texas.
That body in there.
Should I call back later? Hello?
Hello?
Should I call back later?
You don't want to call a little later?
Okay, I'll call a little later.
Because I'm going to give you somebody to talk with you.
Somebody that speaks Spanish?
Wait a minute, wait. Hello?
Oh, yes, good evening. My name is John Whitefer calling from American Airlines. Just want to confirm appointment reservation date for flight 1300 going to Texas.
Uh-huh.
I just want to make sure we have 3 fat ladies going to Texas.
Yes, you are.
All right, great. So have a great
But
day.
we'll get married, though. Lala get the time mama and Lala get the time.